Konza Technopolis is one of the flagship projects in Kenya's Vision 2030, which is Kenya's development blueprint, which helps to guide the development of the country. Its objective is to help the country to advance in technology, science and innovation, and to help in advancing the knowledge economy of Kenya. This is a greenfield city being built from scratch, and it's a smart city, and it's also going to be a technology city. The development of the project is on course. We have made significant progress in development of the guidelines, in the master plan, and in the main aspect of infrastructure. We have the contractor at the site working on the basic amenities of the city, and also the first building of the city is under construction.